This video explains how to create a DNS zone through HostingController. A DNS zone is a distinct logical entity within the DNS namespace, managed by a specific organization or administrator. It refers to a particular domain, and its subdomains managed by a single administrator. It contains all the records for a specific domain and its subdomains. Administrators can manage their DNS zones by changing, adding, or deleting records. If a DNS server is configured properly, HostingController allows the creation of DNS zones through its interface. To create a DNS zone, log into the control panel as the tenant admin, also known as the customer. You will land on the dashboard. Navigate to the left menu. Click the Provisioning drop-down and hit the DNS Zones menu. Click the Create Zone button. A zone can be created for yourself or a specific user. If it's being created for a specific user, specify the name of the user. Select the provider. For the Windows category, the providers can be Microsoft DNS and Simple DNS Plus. For Linux, the provider is Bind DNS. Select the DNS server on which the zone is to be created. Enter the name of the website for which the zone is to be created. Provide the IP of the web server on which the website resides. Select the type of the website. The website can be an IP-based domain or a name-based domain. Specify the IP of the mail server on which the mail domain of the website resides. Finally, click the Create Zone button. The zone will be created. Once created, the zone will be visible under the DNS Zones section in the panel and can be edited or deleted. The zone can be edited through a simple text editor or through a user-friendly zone editor. Editing zones through the text editor requires in-depth knowledge of DNS zones, while editing through the advanced zone editor does not necessarily require specialized knowledge of DNS zones. HostingController also allows you to track down various operations and record events through its audit logging facility. To view the event log of the DNS zone creation, click the Configurations cog on the top and hit the Audit Logs menu under System. You will find a complete log of the zone with the kind of operation performed, the timestamp, the IP log, and the action type of the CRUD operation. You may also view the full details of the log. Create, edit, and delete DNS zones for websites, all through a convenient web interface. Try HostingController today.